This video is about how to edit the description for your idea pin on Pinterest. Now, on the idea pin that you want to edit, you need to tap these three dots on top here, then choose edit on these options. And from there, you can edit the description for your idea pin. And if you want to edit your pin's title, you can do so above here. And as you can see, you can make changes to these other sections, including adding a link and adding your pin to another board. And if you go to advanced settings, you can make some more changes like turning comments on or off and editing your pin's visual details. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on Pinterest and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.